Prairie. A new yellow plant, but other than that, not a lot of yellow left. Some purple, a lot of brown, a lot of green. A lot of crickets and grasshoppers. I see some white. A little bit of compass flower. They're just, oh, that's what those are. They're just coming out. That is more of a fall plant. So the little aster compass plants are these. And this one's finally coming to bloom. Lovely. Tall grass. So we go up the slope. When we get up here, we'll do a twirl. The grasshopper just ran into my arm. Storm's coming. Or at least some rain. Yep, wind is picking up. I can hear just a little bit of rumble. So I will take my hike and then check the radar. I do like thistles and pokeberry. I'm wondering if this is ragweed. We'll see how those look next week. Some leaf color. Got an ant. Some Japanese beetles. I've heard they aren't as popular this year because it was dry last year. Just the smallest little white buds on that. I'll check on it next week. Something different. I heard something in the grasses. Little bee, lots of pollen. Back here, no grasshoppers hopping away at all. And still more paper whites. And this is going to be something soon. Oh, that has a different kind of flower. And we got more bees. Are you starting or ending? I can't quite tell. Oh, there's a bright right one. I think that's the rattlesnake something. Over on the other side was an all brownish one. Different stages. Oh, there's a brownish one. We'll look at that for comparison. They say to get the temperature in Fahrenheit, count the number of cricket chirps in 15 seconds, and then add 37. My thermometer says it's about 90. But I can't hear just one cricket. Dragonfly. And some turning leaves. And now we're at the rock.